Alright, in this video we're taking a look at a door lock that has a multitude of options for locking and unlocking. First, check out a couple of detailed images and then we'll take a little closer look. As stated, we're taking a look at this lock. Now, this has the ability to lock via keypad, via a key, a physical key. You can also use the included sort of ID key card type. You can also use your telephone. Of course, you can see the codes right here. There's a small LCD screen right here. And if you open this up, you've got your battery compartment and your lock cylinder. So it's supposed to last about a year. It uses AAA batteries. There appears to be 4 slots for the batteries. Of course, this is the exterior with the touchpad. The keys that I mentioned before. The little tags, like key card type tags. This is the internal portion of your door. It has a recessed area there, so actually works quite well for your thumb. It has a very good spring, so it feels really good quality in that sense. It comes with a instruction manual. These 2 3M adhesive stickers that would go behind the door. So if for some reason this square didn't cover enough of the hole where the existing lock was, this is going to help to kind of hide that. Excuse me. You have a warranty and support card. Excuse me. And here you have a toolbox. Basically, these are all the parts necessary, screws and such, the portion that goes into the door, and the little plate, and then of course the there's an Allen key, little screwdriver, little tools available to use. You don't have to go looking for tools. So the box that it ships in is right here. It's very well packaged with the foam. Shouldn't have any damage when it arrives, and everything has a little compartment. But anyway, that's a quick overview of what all's included. Keep in mind, and say you have keys, a little key tag, a input through the touchpad, and the Bluetooth through your phone. So, multitude of options available. I guess now it's time for the actual installation portion and just testing and such. Alright, so let's move to that. Okay, so obviously install, pull out the old, stick in the new. As you can see, we're starting that process right now. So we'll be back in a moment to take a look at the lock once it's installed. Alright, so real quick, the lock is installed. I have the option of waking it with the lock button, entering the passcode. I can also wake it up, use the card, and you can see that it doesn't free turn, which means it's unlocked. And then if you wait, it locks itself back, and now it free turns. That's so you can apply torsion and torque this thing to break it open. You can set your temporary passcodes. You can have 10 different people. You have 2 keys, so you can pop this open, use the keyhole right here, get in that way. Of course, you also have the option on the phone to lock and unlock. Alright, so there it goes. Takes a moment to communicate. It says unlock successful, turn the knob. Now it should be back. to the lock position. So you also get alerts, of course, depending on how you have it set up. I'm not going to go through the entire app, but the app will allow you to customize some things. So that's pretty much it. It is seemingly rugged enough to hold up, weather resistant. A small LCD there. I don't know how well that shows up for you, but hopefully you can see that. And if you push in the wrong codes, it's just not going to do anything. So anyway, that's a quick look. It gives you an idea of what to expect. The app works okay once you get it all set up. It just takes a moment to communicate. If you want to find out more, there'll be a link below the video. All right, thanks for watching.